Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use Localsend. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up Localsend. As you can see here, I have my Localsend from my PC or Windows PC specifically. And on the other hand, I have here my Samsung phone that caught Localsend as well. So to use it is fairly easy. Just make sure that you don't use a VPN when you use Localsend. Another one, make sure that all of you or all of your devices are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi connection. After once that's done, for example, you wanted to send something from your computer to your mobile device, well, make sure that you're under send. Okay? As you can see here under nearby devices, Powerful Tomato or this Samsung device is listed in here. If you can't find it, well, just hit on refresh. Now let's say, for example, you wanted to send some file. So go ahead and click on file. It could be a form of photo, zip file, Word, or a document, or whatever. All right. So, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and send this installer just for example. All right. I'm going to click on open, and here we have it. As seen as an attachment, I'm going to go ahead and click on the other device right here. And then I'm going to click on accept. Wait a bit. And once that's done, click on done, and you're good to go. If you want to receive something, click on receive. Now on my phone, let's say I'm going to send something as well. It could be a form of file or media. Just go ahead and select the photo and it will be attached right here. And then go ahead and select the other device. Just like so. Click on accept. Done. Here we have the recent tab. Click on it and here we have the file sent. That's how simple it is to use Localsend. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.